Imagine your life as a captivating show, where every thought and feeling competes for the spotlight, akin to planets orbiting the sun. Your attention fuels these stars, making them shine brightly or fade into the background. Often, we don't even realize how we direct this cosmic show. In the grand theater of life, you're the director. Not every scene has to impact you. You have the power to choose what grabs your attention. Sound unusual? Ignore certain thoughts, and they'll stop influencing your inner world. In the law of attraction, your thoughts are like actors auditioning for a role. It's up to you to give them the lead or cut them from the script. Direct your energy positively and watch how the universe responds in kind. But for the universe to listen, we must learn to speak and connect with it. Focus on connecting with the universe. Firstly, the key to connecting with the universe is all about where you put your focus. From the moment you're born, the universe is like a friend asking, "What do you want to talk about?" To connect with the universe, you need to grasp the language of energy it uses. The universe doesn't understand our spoken languages. It feels your energy vibes. Every reaction you have is like telling the universe, "Yes, I want more of this." Getting this is like learning how to pick and choose it carefully, like a conductor leading a big orchestra. We have to decide which thoughts and feelings to amplify with our attention. When we focus on something specific, it's like voting for more of it. On the flip side, not paying attention to certain things tells the universe we're not interested. This illustrates how much power we have in creating our own lives. Our attention is the way we tell the universe what we want, shaping the music of our lives. Imagine your life as an exciting show where every thought and feeling is like a star or a planet orbiting the sun. Your attention is like the fuel that makes these stars shine brightly or fade into the background. Sometimes we don't even realize that we're the ones directing this big cosmic show. In the theater of life, you're the director. Not every moment has to affect you deeply. You have the power to decide what captures your attention. It might sound strange, but if you ignore certain thoughts, they'll eventually stop bothering you. In the law of attraction, your thoughts are like actors trying to land a role. It's your job to decide whether they take center stage or get cut from the scene. If you focus your energy positively, you'll see how the universe responds in a positive way. However, for the universe to pay attention to us, we need to learn how to communicate with it. Focus on connecting with the universe. The key to this connection lies in where you place your focus. From the moment you're born, the universe is like a friend asking, "What do you want to talk about?" To communicate effectively with the universe, you need to understand the language of energy it uses. The universe doesn't understand our spoken words. Instead, it senses the vibes we emit. Every reaction you have sends a message to the universe, indicating whether you want more of the same or not. It's like learning to carefully select what you want, similar to a conductor leading an orchestra. We have to decide which thoughts and feelings we want to amplify with our attention. When we focus on something specific, it's like casting a vote for more of it. Conversely, ignoring certain things tells the universe that we're not interested. This highlights the immense power we hold in shaping our own lives. Our attention is the tool we use to communicate our desires to the universe, ultimately shaping the soundtrack of our lives. Think of your life as a big stage where every thought and feeling could take the spotlight. The universe is like an eager audience, always wanting to know your story. To tell your story effectively to the universe, you need to understand its language of energy. It doesn't understand words, but tunes into the vibes you give off. Every emotion you show, whether it's happiness, frustration, love, or fear, tells the universe what you want more of. Understanding this is like becoming skilled at choosing what you want. It's like a conductor picking notes for a beautiful symphony. In this cosmic concert, our attention shines on the thoughts and feelings we want to focus on. By giving them attention, we're saying we want more of them. It's like an artist choosing colors for a painting, creating our life's masterpiece. On the other hand, ignoring certain thoughts or events tells the universe we don't want them in our story. Realizing this is empowering because it shows we play a part in shaping our lives. Our focused attention is how we tell the universe what we want, creating the unique music of our existence. To effectively communicate with the universe, focus on thinking and speaking in the present. The universe only recognizes what's happening right now, not the past or future. Our thoughts are like messages to the universe, but it understands them based on the present moment. Although we often think about the past or future, they're not as important as the vibrant reality of the present. Our thoughts carry a lot of power, but how they're understood depends on our perception of time. Instead of saying, "I will be happy," believe and feel the joy in the present moment. Your dreams and aspirations already exist in the universe's possibilities. By living and embodying these desires now, you align yourself with the universe's energy and make them real. This requires more than just wishing. It's about fully embracing your aspirations in the present. Our interaction with the universe is like a dance of energy, and by staying present, we tap into a powerful frequency where our desires become realities. This shift in mindset means living and breathing our desired future in the present moment, actively participating in creating our journey. In this way, we become co-creators of our reality, actively shaping our deepest desires into existence. Unlocking the full potential of our connection with the universe allows us to turn our dreams into real experiences. The journey of expanding our consciousness is like advancing through different levels in a complex game. Life isn't straightforward. It's a dynamic experience with endless possibilities and rules. Mastering this game requires a deep understanding of its various aspects. As you grow, you begin to grasp the intricacies of the universe, making it easier to navigate life's challenges. It's like learning secret strategies that guide you towards success and happiness. Expanding your consciousness means broadening your perception, understanding your inner thoughts, and appreciating the complexities of the universe. With each new insight, you become wiser and more strategic in your choices. Embracing this broader perspective transforms you from an observer to a skilled player, shaping your life with purpose. It's not just about gaining knowledge, but also about shifting your viewpoint to see the world more clearly. Suddenly, everything falls into place, and you understand how your thoughts, feelings, and actions fit into the bigger picture of the universe. Expanding your perspective allows you to see beyond the surface and understand the deeper truths that guide life's flow. As you become more aware, you realize that you're not just reacting to life, but actively shaping it. You become a conscious co-creator, aligning your inner vision with the universe's vast potential. This understanding opens up endless possibilities, helping you navigate life with wisdom, clarity, and purpose. Trusting your inner guidance is crucial in understanding the universe. It's like using a compass in a world of energy. The universe communicates through vibrations and feelings, not words. Our thoughts often don't match our true feelings, but our emotions and gut instincts are reliable guides. When something feels right, it's usually on the right path for us. Conversely, discomfort signals a deviation from our true selves. Listening to this guidance involves distinguishing between fleeting pleasures proposed by our ego and the deep sense of rightness from within. True resonance brings peace and clarity, affirming that something is right for us. By following this inner trail of positive feelings, we align effortlessly with our genuine path, living in harmony with our true nature. It's a dance of intuition and trust, guiding us towards a life aligned with our deepest truths and highest aspirations. Reprogramming the subconscious through repetition is our final step in understanding the universe. This involves using the power of repetition to shape our subconscious mind, which acts like a mirror reflecting the ways of the universe. Unlike our ever-changing conscious thoughts, the subconscious is deeply rooted and influences the law of attraction more significantly. It accepts and affirms every input, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. To harness this power, it's important to stay present and avoid dwelling on past traumas. Our subconscious is like a vast archive, storing all our experiences and social conditioning. It doesn't filter harmful thoughts. That's our conscious mind's job. By using repetition, we can consciously shape our beliefs ingrained in the subconscious. For example, if you want to shift from self-doubt to self-assurance, consistently affirming a statement like, "I am the most confident person in the world," can lead to a profound transformation. This goes beyond simply repeating words. It's about embodying the essence of the affirmation and believing in it deeply. The focus is on your future self, not the current state. By persistently reinforcing these affirmations, you create an energetic resonance that eventually manifests into reality. As your belief in self-confidence strengthens, it reflects in your demeanor, actions, and speech. In conclusion, it's crucial to realize that you are an integral part of the universe. Connecting with the universe means connecting with the deepest part of yourself, the architect of your destiny. By aligning your thoughts and feelings with positivity, you create a powerful dialogue with the universe. Your life is full of possibilities, and you have the ability to paint the picture of your desired reality. Every choice and belief is like a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. By consciously choosing thoughts and actions that align with your higher self, you create a masterpiece of experience in harmony with the universe's grand design.